Okay, so let me write all this stuff down. Looked like I was getting in a big hurry there all of a sudden. We have an absolute maximum, and I'm going to have to scroll down the screen here. In fact, okay, we have a minimum, an absolute min, and I'm actually writing out the points here at 0, 0, and also one occurred at pi 0, and then we had an absolute maximum occurred at 3 pi force, and of course we plugged the 3 pi force into the original function and we end up with e to the 3 pi force times sine of 3 pi force, and sine of 3 pi force, which was the square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so I want to keep exact values here. I don't know. Let's go back and look at the graph again. I had so much fun doing that last time. Let's do that. Okay, so remember we had two minimums, and it was at 0, 0, and then the other minimum was at, trying to get my cursor there as close as I can, it's jumping around, at pi 0, okay, and man, and then our absolute maximum occurred right here at 3 pi force, so 3 pi force on the x-axis, and well, you know, it's right here. I don't know why I think I gotta have it down here so we can see our coordinates up here, but anyway, so right here, I wish they added a feature like you click on max, click on min, click on inflection points, click on roots, and it just kind of like showed up right here, a little deal there. That's a suggestion for Google. Yeah, man. Okay. I think that's all the absolute min max problems I'm going to actually have. If you want to see more calculus problems worked, you need to leave a comment or just give me a call on my phone. Probably not. Better not do that. I don't think I'm going to put my phone number up just yet, even though I do have several Google Voice numbers. But yeah, if you want to see more calculus worked out, I can work any calculus problem in the universe, and that includes fractional calculus too. Does anybody know what fractional calculus is? You know what? I got some time left on this video. I just want to mention fraction calculus. So if you're in a calculus class, you can ask your instructor this. Okay, so I know you just got through learning how to take derivatives and all that kind of stuff. But say, for example, we were taking the derivative of x squared. Well, it turns out that this number up here, okay, I mean, we're taking the first derivative. I'm sorry. The first derivative. This is the first derivative. There's second derivatives. For example, f y is equal to x, y prime is equal to 1, y double prime is equal to 0. Well, this is taking a derivative at a time, but it turns out that we can take half derivatives. Yeah, there's actually a way for notation wise up here, dy over dx, this is like a 1 here, but you could actually say you can take half derivatives. Ask your instructor how to take a half derivative. Yeah, that'll drive him crazy. But actually this number up here can be any real number, and even more generalized, it can actually be any complex number. Half derivatives, 3/4 derivatives, the square root of 2 derivatives. Yeah, and don't get this number mixed up with this number up here, because these are two separate numbers. Anyway, it's known as fractional calculus. After you learn calculus, you need to go try to learning fractional calculus. Yeah.